I got it. This place makes the best sandwich in the world.
This dish is in memory of Matthew Perry. Rest in peace. Stay tuned with There Finely chop the garlic in the first step. After that, finely chop the parsley. For a better integration of taste and aroma, chop them together. In a deep bowl, pour mincemeat, parsley and garlic mixture, egg, breadcrumbs, cream cheese, mustard, smoked paprika, oregano, salt and black pepper, and start mixing them together. I don't know why I looked like this. First, make love with meatballs and get a basketball move. Like me, smooth the surface of the balls and start giving it a shape. In the mixture of butter and olive oil, start frying them with high heat. This makes the meat that goes into the sauce keep its shape. At the end, add half of the mixture of garlic and parsley to them and give them more aroma in a rose method. Let's go to the sauce. Peel the onion and start chopping it. After that, chop garlic and chili pepper. Fry the vegetables in the same pan as you fried the meats. This will transfer all the flavors of the meat to the sauce. Yes, meanwhile, puree the tomatoes. Add it to the pan and immediately add balsamic vinegar, sugar, oregano, black pepper, and salt. Cook for 10 minutes and the sauce thickens. Now, put the meatballs in the sauce. If needed, add boiling water to it, like I did. Cook for another 15 minutes and it's ready. Cut the bread and serve the meatballs with sauce, mozzarella cheese, and lots of basil. I dedicate this sandwich to dear Matthew Perry.
Chandler, this is the greatest sandwich in the world.
Please like and subscribe and leave a comment.